Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 16 in first semester. December NPR ended last week, and teachers are preparing reports this week. Even though week 16 falls in the month of December, it's actually included in the January NPR period. Now, the next couple of weeks, weeks 16 and 17, are winter break. If you're on pace, get the week 16 assignments submitted and enjoy your break. If you're behind pace, use the next couple of weeks to get caught up. It's an opportune time. No Zooms and no added assignments. Just time to get things done. Now, the quote for this week is by Olympic gold medalist Bonnie Blair, who said, "Winning doesn't always mean you are first. Winning means you are doing better than you've done before." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.